Hello everyone. Today I'm in the Pulwama area of Kashmir, and I'm in the area which is quite famous for Kashmiri Kahwa and Kashmiri Kesar. So you can buy these two famous products of Kashmir from this area only. Both are available on the Pulwama highway, and this is that area. So I'll just show you the glimpses around. You can buy, there is a shop called Organic Kesar. Lala Kesar is there, Zabarwan Kesar is there, Pirwar Kesar is there. So there are many Kesar shops and Kashmiri Kahwa shops. You can see, and there are many restaurants in this area where you can have your lunch or dinner. And you can get the Kashmiri Kesar or Kashmiri Kahwa at best possible prices in this area only. So I would suggest always buy these two products from this area only. And one most important thing is that there's one more showroom of Kesar, Zamindar Kesar Mahal. You can see this road leads us to Pahalgam area of Kashmir. There are many tourist places where we can go from this highway. Called Achbal is there, which is a famous tourist spot. Pahalgam, you already know. And the one more famous restaurant chain, I would say, of entire India, called this Sukhdev, which is not Sukhdev, sorry. The name of that restaurant is, I don't remember. I'll just show you on the way, which is available throughout Kashmir. You can see Saffron World on the opposite side. These are the buses of, this is the bus of, and many buses are approaching. So these buses belongs to Islamic University of Science and Technology, which is located in Pulwama area of Kashmir. Zadam Saffron. So this is the shop Noor Mohammed Bhatt, where you can just have Kashmiri Kahwa. And there's one more shop at the front where you can enjoy Kashmiri Kahwa. Kashmiri Kahwa store is there. You can see it's being served in the samovar. You can see this guy is serving Kashmiri Kahwa in the samovar. So you can see many more Kesar shops. This area is known for Kesar and Kashmiri Kahwa. So you can see one more Zamindar Kesar Co is there. So I was talking about this restaurant, which is famous around India, called Amritsar Haveli, where many tourists halt and enjoy their lunch or dinner. So alright guys, I'm just covering all such information in this vlog. I just show you the I just showed you the Kesar companies of Kashmir, Kashmiri Kahwa shops and its address. and the Amritsar Haveli address. So they are located on the Srinagar to Pulwama highway. All right, so please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.